brand new BMW, that shiny Mercedes, the roar of a Range Rover engine. Luxury cars look like success, but here's what we're unpacking today. Are they really a smart financial move or just a debt trap with leather seats? Let's talk about the real cost of luxury cars, the numbers, the mindset, the regrets, and the strategies that can save you thousands or hundreds of thousands over a lifetime. Part 1. Why we want luxury cars. Let's start with psychology, because buying a luxury car is rarely just about transportation. It's about status, image, reward, emotional satisfaction. We see someone in a new BMW and think, they've made it. Luxury cars are marketed as success symbols, and for many, that's exactly what we're chasing. But the truth, cars are often our biggest silent money leaks. Part 2. Depreciation. The silent killer. Let's say you buy a $90,000 luxury SUV. 3 years later, it's worth $55,000. That's a $35,000 loss just by driving it. Luxury cars depreciate faster than economy cars because they cost more upfront. Repairs are expensive. Fewer people buy them used. The tech ages faster. Want numbers? A new BMW 5 Series loses around 30% in year 1, 50% in year 3, 65 to 70% in year 5. Compare that to a used Honda Accord. Lower cost, slower depreciation, cheaper to fix. Part 3. Maintenance and repairs equals dollars. Luxury cars aren't just more expensive to buy, they're more expensive to keep. Let's break it down. Oil change on a Mercedes equals $250. Brake job equals $1,200 plus. Run flat tires, often $300 plus each. Transmission replacement on a Jaguar, up to $8,000. And don't forget, you often need specialty mechanics or the dealership. That's not convenience. That's a money trap. Part 4. Financing equals long-term pain. Many people don't pay cash for luxury cars, like they finance them, sometimes for 72 or even 84 months. Let's do the math. $70,000 car, $0 down, 6.9% interest, 72-month loan, $1,175 per month. After 6 years, you've paid $84,600 plus, and the car's now worth $20,000. That's $64,000 lost. Is not invested, not saved. It's not wealth, it's status debt. Part 5. Leasing, the sneaky trap. Think leasing is better? Let's say $800 per month lease, $5,000 down. 3 years, 36,000 mile limit. After 3 years, you have nothing to show for it. No asset, no trade-in, no equity. Leasing equals long-term renting. And just like with apartments, you don't build wealth through rent. Real life story, my dream car became a nightmare. James, a subscriber, bought his dream car, a brand new Range Rover. He financed it with $0 down. After 2 years, lost his job. Insurance premiums doubled. Couldn't afford repairs. Owed more than the car was worth. Eventually, he had to sell it for a loss. His credit took a hit. He now drives a used Camry, well, not in debt-free, and says it's the best financial decision he's made. Part 6. The hidden costs of luxury cars. Besides the sticker price, here's what most people don't budget for. Insurance. Luxury equals higher premiums. Repairs and parts cost more plus take longer. Gas, many require premium fuel. Interest on loans, thousands over time. Loss of investing potential. Money you could have grown. When you buy a $60,000 car instead of a $20,000 car, that $40,000 difference could have gone into index funds, real estate, a business, emergency fund, retirement. Instead, it went into something losing value every mile you drive. Part 7. What the wealthy actually drive. You may be thinking, but rich people drive luxury cars, right? Not always. Studies show millionaires are more likely to drive Toyotas and Hondas than BMWs or Audis. Why? Because they focus on building assets, reducing liabilities, increasing cash flow, delaying gratification. They understand the car doesn't make the man, the money does. Part 8. Social pressure and looking rich. Let's be real that some of us buy luxury cars to look successful. Even if we're broke, it's the Instagram illusion. You post the photo with the keys, you feel good. But behind the scenes, you're stressed every time a payment hits. Would you rather look rich or be rich? That's the real question. Part 9. When it's okay to buy luxury. Let's not be dramatic. If you love cars and can afford it responsibly, go for it. Here's when it makes sense. You have no debt. You're investing consistently. You're paying cash or a small loan. You can afford the full cost of ownership. It brings you long-term joy, not just short-term flex. If that's you, no judgment. But for most people, it's not time yet. Action plan. What to do instead. If you're thinking about a luxury car, pause and consider. Buy used, 2 to 4 years old, certified pre-owned. Pay in cash if possible, or low financing. Know the total cost of ownership, not just the sticker price. Invest the difference. Literally, track it. Wait until your income grows, debt shrinks, and you've built assets. Drive something reliable now and build wealth for later. Mental shift. What cars actually are. A car is a tool, not a trophy. Its purpose, get you safely from A to B. Cost you as little as possible. Free up money for investing and life goals. Anything else? That's marketing. That's pressure. That's ego. The moment you separate identity from your car, you win. Reflection. What are you really buying? When you finance a luxury car, you're not just buying transportation. You're buying a label, stress, depreciation, delayed financial goals. Now ask yourself, is it worth it? Final thoughts and takeaways. Cars lose value. Rich people build value. You can have nice things later. If you build smart now, drive humble, invest big, win long term. Like this video if it helped you rethink your next car decision. Subscribe to Big Money Booster for weekly content on money, mindset, and financial freedom. Share this with someone who's dreaming of a Benz, but should really build a better bank account first. Comment below, would you ever buy a luxury car? Why or why not? Let's talk. You don't need to impress the world.